Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Fashion Alchemist. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time and your location. Welcome to your go to destination for the latest fashion trends, style inspiration, and outfit ideas. From timeless classic to bold new looks, we bring you everything you need to upgrade your wardrobe and step out with confidence. So guys, today we are talking about a very stunning and very attractive collection of leather mini skirts. Leather mini skirts are making a major comeback and they were here to style and they were here to stay as one of the most versatile fashion pieces of 2025, 2026 and upcoming years. From a sleek pencil cut to flowy A-line designs, these skirts offer the perfect balance between elegance and edge. Whether you are styling them with a classic blouse for work, a cozy sweater for a chic street look, or a bold crop for a night out, the leather mini skirts adapt effortlessly to every occasion. Pair them with ankle boots for a trendy autumn vibe, sneakers for a casual day look, or strappy heels for a sophisticated evening style. And with shades ranging from timeless black and rich brown to bold red, leather, and trendy metallics, there is a perfect option for any personality. And leather mini skirts is not just a piece of clothing, it's a statement of confidence, power, and timeless fashion. For a chic everyday look, pair your leather miniskirts with a tucked-in a blouse or a fitted turtleneck. Add ankle boots or sneaker, and you will instantly have a polished yet comfortable outfit for coffee dates, shopping trips, or casual hangout. If you want a more professional vibe, go for a sleek pencil cut leather midi skirts with a crisp white shirt and structured blazer. This combination not only looks powerful but also shows off your confident sense of style, perfect for meetings or formal events. When it's time for a night out or a party, the leather midi skirts really shines. Match it with a statement crop top, off shoulder blouse, or even a sparkly sequin pieces. Add high heels, board accessories, add a clutch bag, and you have got a look that turns head. Color also plays a huge role in making your outfit stand out. A classic black leather miniskirt is a timeless and can be styled with almost anything. Brown and tan shades give a warm, earthy vibe perfect for autumn. For those who love to make a statement, red metallic or pastel leather skirts are daring options that shows off personality and trend forward style. The best part, leather miniskirts are seasonless. In winter, style them with oversized coats, chunky sweaters, and knee-high heel boots. In summer, go lighter with sleeveless tops and strappy sandals. No matter the season, these pieces works beautifully, and with just a few styling tweaks. And let's not forget about accessories, belt, handbags, jewelry, and even layered outerwear can completely transform the look. A simple skirt can go from casual chic to high fashion glam in minutes just by changing the details. At the end of the day, a leather miniskirt is more than just clothing, it's a fashion statement that says bold, confident, and stylish. If you are building your wardrobe for 2025 and 2026 and guys upcoming years, this is one trend you don't want to miss. So friends, if you're loving this, then please do like my video. These leather mini skirts is for office wear, for party wear, for casual wear, for daily work wear. This is very easy to wear. These mini skirts are very flexible, comfortable. This is for those ladies who love to wear these. This is for working women. So friends, if you're loving this, then please do like my video and also share my video with your friends, with your relatives, with your family members and social media also. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep visiting my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to share my video. Don't forget to press the bell icon and tell me in the comment section that how was the video, how was the design. Tell me all in the comment section. Give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon with new elegant and stunning collection. Goodbye, take care.